Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply eye contact feature on CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone. And then I'm going to create a new project. But wait. Okay. Alright, and I'm just going to click on new project and then I'm going to choose my video. I'm going to apply the eye contact feature too. For example, I'm just going to add this video. Okay, and then if we want to apply eye contact feature, we just need to click on our video and then we're going to scroll all the way to the right until we find the eye contact feature. And as you can see guys, that this feature is free. So we don't need to subscribe to CapCut. Okay, and to make the process faster, I'm just going to cut my video. My video is 18 seconds, so I'm just going to make it less than 18. All right, and now it's time to apply the eye contact feature. I'm going to click on eye contact and then I'm going to click on this toggle to activate it. Okay, and you will read the description here, automatically detect and adjust the eye direction. It will be very useful if you read a script but you don't want to make your audience know that you read the script. Okay, and then I'm just going to click on the check mark and this is the result guys. As you can see that this girl is looking at the camera. Okay, and then I'm just going to show you the before and after. I'm going to go back to the eye contact and I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to remove it. Okay, this is before I apply the eye contact feature and this is after I applied the eye contact feature. Okay, you just click on the check mark. Alright, and then I'm going to try to apply it to a photo. Let's try guys. I'm going to go to the photos and I'm just going to choose photo from my pins folder. Wait. Okay, this one, and I'm going to choose this photo. Let's apply the eye contact to a photo. We can go to the eye contact, activate it, and okay, I just want to know it works or not. But actually, as you can see that it's not working on this photo. I don't know what happened, but it works for my video. Okay, and that's all the way to apply eye contact feature in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!